good. It's a big place, this ICB of heavy machinery. Going up the snow mounds. I can barely see up over the van out the window. There's another good. Woo! That's a sign. Sign that we had a lot of snow. That's stupid. Oh yeah. I know it's moving and everything, but look at that snowdrift. I know that's up a little ways, but damn, it's nice looking. Hi. Right up here a little bit. I'm going to pause this recording.